Hey guys, good morning. It's Wednesday, you guys. Right now it's 11:06. Yo, I have bad news today. Looks like I'm not gonna work Spark today because my auto insurance is it expired. So I uploaded a new one today, and it says it's gonna take 24 hours to update whatever. So meanwhile, I'm going to work Roadie because I have a Roadie account, DoorDash, and Uber. That's what I'm gonna be using today. Whenever it's busy, that's what I'm gonna use. So I haven't turned on it looks like how is call it DoorDash. It is hard to get in. If it's not red, you can't get in. So I have been on for hours, yo, and haven't get red. So I received an order on Roadie, $15 going 4 miles at the pharmacy. So right now I'm going to the pharmacy, yo, to pick up my package. So looks like Roadie is gonna be rolling today. How about that? So I'm in a store. I'm going at the pharmacy pick up so I can pick up my order. I got my package, y'all. So let's go deliver it. Let's go deliver it. It's Yo, I have this Roadie account for over, I think, 2 years now. 2 years I have a Roadie account, but I never liked it. So let's give it a try again. And when I started, it wasn't that busy in my city. Like, it wasn't that busy at all. So let me see today. Let me see if it's going to keep me busy. Shoot. You guys, I'm done delivering the medicine. So what I found out is you can't leave those medicine unattended. So you have to knock and give to the person and take picture. Like, it's just same thing as all this gig work, y'all. Just same like they all have the same steps. Okay, so let's go back and see if we can get more orders. You know what I'm saying? More orders. I'm so excited for today to see how the day is gonna go, you know. Let's see, y'all. You guys, I just realized that I never ended my video. Yo, it got so bad. It got so bad. I waited to enter in DoorDash. I never went in. Like, it never got read for hours waiting. For Uber Eats, they just kept bringing trash, like only trash, y'all. I was like, what's going on? So, and for Roadie, I knew it. For Roadie, in my city, it never get busy, y'all. It never. Only maybe around a holiday season, I guess, because like 1 year ago, I think it was 2 years ago, yo, I made money on holiday. I didn't have a Spark account on that year, so all I did was Roadie account. I mean Roadie. It was super busy. That's the only year that I made money in Roadie. And after holiday, boom, it went dead. So today I was like, you know what? Oh, I have a Roadie account. Let me try. Let me turn it on. So I only did that one order, cause I waited for so long. So this is the other reason why I don't like multi-apping in this, like, in my city, because DoorDash is, I think it's like dead in my city. I used to do DoorDash, y'all. I did DoorDash for 4 years, 3 years. I don't remember, but I did DoorDash. That was my full-time job before Spark. So ever since they accepted me in Spark, I stopped doing DoorDash. But right now, DoorDash here it's dead. Even before I got accepted in Spark, I wasn't making money in DoorDash, so I had to quit DoorDash and went to 9 to 5. But I couldn't do 9 to 5 because I don't like doing 9 to 5. You guys, once you're used to being your own boss, it's so hard. It's so hard to go back to 9 to 5. So I went back to 9 to 5. I did it for like summertime, I think for 2 months. And I quit. I quit it, yo. I was like, nah. Let me go back to my DoorDash. Even though it's so slow, let me just go back. Maybe maybe I'm gonna try. No. I think that time I went to do Uber share. I drove people, y'all. I did Uber ride because I didn't want to do 9 to 5. So if you ever wonder why I don't multi-app when Spark is slow, that's the reason, yo. I don't like multi-apping because I know DoorDash here is dead. Uber Eats is like slow. Roadie, so I would rather just sit and wait on Spark because I know Spark, it can spark sometimes. But DoorDash here, I don't know about your city. Like, comment down below, you guys. How is DoorDash like in your city? Is it like busy, or you have to be on? I heard now they're changing the platinum stuff, whatever. Because ever since I stopped, I don't even go check to any of that. So I guess to have orders, you have to be on in the platform, whatever they say, platinum. I don't know. So you guys, yep. So I didn't make no money today. Only did that $15. So I'm hoping tomorrow when I wake up, my account is back. I'm hoping because they say it takes 24 hours to update or whatever. So that's it, y'all. That's it. If you wonder why I don't like multi-apping, that's it. DoorDash here. Instacart, I don't like Instacart. You know, when you used to shop on Spark, because on Spark they tell you where to go exactly, which aisle, which section, and you just go and pick. But Instacart, I don't like it because sometimes they only tell you the aisle and you just go looking around the stuff. I don't like that. I have an account too, but I didn't turn it on today because I don't like doing Instacart. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. So without Spark, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I love being my own boss, y'all. I enjoy being on the road. I don't know what it is, but I just enjoy being on the road. This is going to be my 5th year, y'all, doing this gig work. It's going to be my 5th year doing this gig work. So that means I enjoy it. And I do it full time too. I do it full time. So if it's paying my bill, why not? I enjoy it. I love it. Don't tell me not going to 9 to 5. That's not my area anymore. So I hope tomorrow when I wake up, everything's gonna be perfect for me to do Spark. Because I missed Sparking today. Yo, I was ready. I was super ready today to go to work, but yeah. That's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Oh, that's my daughter over there, by the way. I just went to Sam's Club to grocery shopping my stuff. Sam's Club is 30 minutes away from my city, like where I live. Like I go in a different city to go shop at Sam's Club. So that's why sometimes you guys be asking me, do you have Sam's Club order? Do you be getting Sam's Club? Or we don't have Sam's Club in this area. So yeah, I missed my Spark today, and I was ready to make money. But anyway, I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm hoping everything is going to be perfect tomorrow. All right, guys. I love you. I'm talking too much, way too much. Bye.